We're always looking for a really good salad. This one should be mighty fine. So I roasted some beets. How I did that is I put the beets in the pan with a 1/2 inch of water, covered them up with foil, put them in a 400-degree oven for an hour. Once they cooled, I peeled them and I chopped them up. Next, what we're going to do is take a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, a 1/2 cup of water. You'll measure a 1/2 cup of walnuts, but you're only going to use 1/2 of them because you're going to save the rest to put on top of the salad when it's completed. A 1/4 cup of raisins, a teaspoon of Dijon Mustard. Here's a clove of garlic and a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. And we're going to mix all this up. Can of chickpeas that are drained, and arugula salad. I don't know, it's about, I'm gonna say it's about 5 cups that I put in here. We're gonna mix as much dressing on there as you like and mix it up. And I think you're gonna have a really great salad to serve. And look how colorful it is. I hope you enjoy it.